I'm just feeling my vibe right now. I'm feeling myself. Panda.
Secret location. Luke's ripping a skid. You're gonna hit the berm and then hit the little jump. Say little, but looks small on camera. If you hit it full speed, you'll be right. Or not full speed.
Not full speed. Don't over clear, but just mark.
I'll do quarter throttle.
Alright, go Luke. Luke's moped's fucked as it is, so. Alright, here he is. He's hitting it. It looks small as fuck on camera.
Oh, wait, go further back.
Yes! See, Luke?
Wait, that feels so sketchy.
I think he landed about here. That's like, dude, that's like a 2 meter jump at least. We got the big berm here. Come the boys. Oh, you shit cunt.
Ah.
Watch out, he's gonna run up your ass. Luke, what the fuck was that?
I know, the fucking front tire just dug in. I fucked that so bad.
Not as bad as Luke. Trying to make this little berm a little bit bigger. Oh, bigger, better. Oh, that was good, that was clean. Once again, Luke fucked it because he's a shit cunt.
Oi, I fucking hit that.
Oh!
I come around the corner, bam, straight into that.
It wasn't sitting there, I fucking had it sitting up.
Well, you gotta watch out because I came out wide and my tyre clicked that.
Oh, is that how it fell down?
And it fell down.
Look at that.
Oh, he's going over.
You fucked it again, Luke.
Fucking hell, it's so weird.
You gotta come round, you idiot. Look at the...
You hit that.
Idiot. Yes, Luke. Fuck, was it that hard? See? Jamie on his Honda 2-day. Today. Don't come this way.
So much better.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. He went straight.
It's just that end bit, eh? It sort of pushes you out.
Out here again with the boys. We've got Jamie on his 50, Ryan on his 150. Oh, 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 this guy's gonna fucking hit the jump. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's fucked. That was gold. Trevor's gunning it. Oh. Oh. The silent assassin. Oh, fucking. What was that shit, Ryan? Alright, so Ryan's got the heaviest ped out of all of us. He's gonna hit the smallest berm. Oh! I didn't make it, they just fucking turned around here a couple of times. Trev's gonna hit the puddle. This should be good. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Trevor just went straight through.
What?
Have a look how soaked the gun is. Trevor, he just went straight through it and not like just cruising either. He fucking hit it fast. Look how soaked the gun is.
Oh, it's fucking so fun.
You know when us boys have been here, because there's fucking tyre tracks everywhere.
Done.